Welcome to the instructions video for the Accelerated Life Test Arrhenius Interactive Calculator. This tool helps engineers predict how long components will last under normal conditions by testing them at elevated temperatures. It's essential for reliability testing and product validation. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key parameters. First, input the activation energy in electron volts, which depends on the failure mechanism you're studying. Common values range from 0.3 to 1.2 eV. Next, enter the test temperature, which is your accelerated stress condition, typically between 85 and 125 degrees Celsius. Then input the use temperature, which represents normal operating conditions, often around 25 to 55 degrees Celsius. Finally, enter your test duration in hours. The calculator will compute the acceleration factor and equivalent field life. For example, with an activation energy of 0.7 eV, testing at 85 degrees Celsius for 1,000 hours can simulate years of operation at room temperature. The results show you the acceleration factor and predicted lifetime under actual use conditions. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.